Hello YouTube! Please enjoy a video of Rudy Martinez, one of the Lone Star Drift competitors, getting ready for this weekend for the Houston Police Academy Round 1 event. It's exciting to see him put down so much power in the car, see him enjoy himself so much in the preparation of the car. He is so stoked, you can see it. Please enjoy this video. Let's get started. I almost forgot to mention this G35 is his VR30 main drift car that he drives on Drift Week and everything else. You've probably seen him there. Anyways, let's keep going.
What's up, YouTube? Let's go again. We don't talk about this car much, but everyone knows I have it. It's a 1.5 JZ, and today we're getting ready to head to the dyno, which means that I procrastinated, and today we're doing maintenance. So on top of that, we're doing spark plugs, which we already did. Already ran into the problem. One of the time inserts from, I don't know, maybe like 6-8 years ago came out with the plug. So then I already retapped that. Now we put the plugs back in, and yeah, usually I'd never film going to the dyno because going to the dyno in this car is always a disaster, and the red car just always seems to run. So we got the fuel injectors on the fuel injector cleaning machine and tidying up a little couple of oil, not leaks, but little not drips either, but I don't know, just some oil, what do you call that? Oil, not leaks, but seepage. Yeah, there you go, that's the word. Anyways, yeah, so Christian's fixing that part. He made some gaskets, which I probably should have shown, but you know what, I'll show you the fuel injector machine that we have. This is the fuel injector machine right here. I kind of already ran the injectors. All the injectors came out good. So here's just kind of like a brief review of that. Is you have all these settings. I have ultrasonic cleaning, which I already did. And then you label the injectors and you let this thing rip. And then you let it fill up with a certain time limit. And once it's, you know, done with the time limit, you can see, oh, this one is the same, this one's the same, this one's different, and if they're any different, well, if it's not within 10%, then it's probably time for new injectors. But these are like 2000 cc, so they're gonna go ahead and fill it up. So yeah, I really don't need to, you know, check that out too much because I already did it, but I know these are good. I just wanted to show the machine, and these are the injectors that go to the JZ car. So we're gonna pop those in, and then put the spark plug ignition coils back on, and then I think that should be it. And usually this car is pretty depressing to bring to the dyno, so I'm gonna bring you the goods and the bads, and hopefully it goes smooth. It's probably not going to because it never does. It's nothing like the red car, but this is about as ready as I can have it. So we'll see what happens. Anyways, let's go. All right, looks like we're ready to leave the shop. I got my laptop, I got some spark plugs, I got my wallet, I got some ratchet straps. So we're gonna go ahead and cruise down to the dyno. All right, so we made it to inline racing. Steven is very happy to see me. Yeah. Going up very slowly onto the dyno. And hopefully everything goes smooth, but chances are very hard, especially with this car being 30 years old. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna back this up, get it on the rollers, get it strapped down, and hopefully it all goes well. This is the worst part. The worst part is trying to crawl underneath your bumper and ratchet strap this thing to the dyno. Oh, but we're getting it. Got it to the lower control arms, to the frame of the dyno, and yep, hopefully let's make a pull and we're all good. But as you can see, oh, putting your head under there, climbing your whole little body is definitely difficult. Woo! So we got it strapped down. About to bust open the laptop. Got straps going down this way to the lower control arm. Let's let this thing rip.
Forgot to put the dyno on.
Okay, so I just pulled the plug. Looks like we're really good on the strap. I'm gonna load it back in, and we're gonna do a second to third gear hit and make sure that there's no misfires in between, kind of doing drivability. We tuned in mostly just fuel on this one. So far smooth, so far nothing crazy going on, but it didn't really change much except for this turbo. We're now on the pulsar. Yeah, so I'll bring some dyno pulls and see what happens. So that's the second to third, and he's gonna check to make sure everything's okay. And after that, we'll do one power pull. That's kind of just checking the drivability. And hopefully we're almost done here soon. Okay, that's gonna be the last pull. We have it super safe, and I just wanted to make it out here alive, and everything's good. We're just doing one last pull. Everything's clean. Smoothest this car's ran in a super long time, and I couldn't even thank Steven for all the nights, late nights that we've all put in on both each other's cars, you know, just trying to get them done. And that's what I call teamwork. Let's see how much it makes on the final number. Pretty good. All right, so we made 530 something. I don't really care as long as the car drives good, and that's it. Did you have fun? This is the first time we don't have to pull it off the dyno and go work on it.
Go drive it.
No.
What do you mean?
Okay, maybe.
Yeah.
All right, maybe we'll go drive it. All right, let's see. If not, then I'm out. If so, then I'll have videos of me just zooming. Thing's a rocket. That's so ridiculous. I love this car. Only when it acts good, though. Alright, I need to chill out. Anyways, we're out.
Huge shout out to all these sponsors such as BC Racing Custom Coilovers, NK Wheels, Grip Royal, KBD Body Kits, Heatwave Visual, Spec Clutch, Vapetasia, Valino Tires, and of course, WhatMonstersDo.com with their all new logo. Go to their website and use that discount code. Thanks everybody. Have a good day.